We're back in the financial district and we're ready to see the Statue of the Liberty, which is over there. But we'll not probably go right there because, well, it costs like $24. We'll use our metro cards instead to go around, like very close by a ferry which goes to the Staten Island, and we'll see whether we have a good views of the statue or not. So let's give it a go. And there is the ferry over there that we will take. This is the line to the actual Liberty Island, because obviously the ship is not big enough to carry all the people that want to go there, so it has to take trips there and back.
Nemusíme pomáhať ďalej, to už je jedno. Tuto keď budeme takto stáť.
Yeah, there it is. How the ferry looks like inside. Have a nice day. Welcome to Staten Island. We are on the Staten Island at the moment. The ferry ride was free of charge. Didn't have to pay anything, and also it took like 25 minutes. This is the panorama you get when you walk out of the ferry building.